Welcome to Happy Infoline. In this video, I will show you how to calculate some formulas involving multiplication operation by using Scratch, which is an educational tool for programming. To illustrate, I will show you how to calculate volume of a cube, cube of a number, square of a number, area of a square, and area of a rectangle. We can calculate the volume of a cube by multiplying its side 3 times. Given the side length of the cube is S, the formula of the volume of a cube is cube of S. Now, let me show you how to use Scratch to calculate the volume of a cube. First, go to Google search and type Scratch. Then, click scratch.mit.edu. At the website of Scratch, just click Start Creating. To start programming, first go to Code tab, click Events, drag the green flag button to the script area. Then we go to Sensing, select and drag this code here. We change what is your name to what is the side length of the cube in centimeter. Next, we will go to variables and we'll make a variable. Key in the first name as side length. Then click OK. We make another variable and name it as volume of the cube and click OK. Then we drag this code to the script area, change my variable to side length, go to Sensing, drag answer to here. Go to variables, drag this code to the script area and change my variable to volume of the cube. Here we have to insert the formula for the volume. We go to operators, drag this code. This is the code for multiply. Drag another one here. Then we go to Sensing, drag the answer to here. Okay, now we drag this formula to insert here. This means the volume of the cube is to multiply the side length by 3 times. Next, we go to Loops, select this code, change the time to 10 seconds. Then we go to Operators, select this one. We duplicate the formula here and put it at the second part. Then the first part we can put the volume of the cube is. Then we drag this code to join here. This coding here is only repeat once. If you want the coding here to run continuously, you can go to Control, select and click drag this forever code here. So this coding will run forever until you click the stop button. Now let us try. Click the green flag button here. What is the side length of the cube in centimeter? We put 3 here. Then we click enter. The volume of the cube is 27 centimeter cube. We can modify this coding to find cube of a number. To do this, first, we change the wording here. We just change to please enter a number. Then we go to variables and rename the variables. We go to side length, right click, select rename variable, and then we change to number. and click OK. Then we rename the volume of the cube to cube of the number. And click OK. So this wording will be changed to the cube of the number is. Click the green flag button. Please enter a number. We enter 5 and click OK. The cube of the number is 125. Now, we can also modify this coding to find square of a number. To do this, rename the variable cube of the number. Right-click, rename, and then we will select this one and change it to square. Click OK. Then this one, we also rename it to square. Okay, then we modify the formula here. Okay, let's try it. Click the green flag button here. Please enter a number. Enter number 8 and then click enter. The square of the number is 64. Now let's see how to modify this coding to find area of a square. First, we change the question to what is the side length of the square in centimeter? Then we rename the variable from number to side length and click OK. Then we rename this variable to area of square and click OK. Here we also change it to the area of square is okay. Now let's try it. Click the green flag to start. What is the side length of the square in centimeter? Maybe we put 7, then click enter. The area of square is 49 centimeters square. Sorry, there is a typo error here. It should be AREA. Let's try again. Click the green flag button here. What is the side length of the square in centimeter? We put number 9. Then we click OK. The area of square is 81 centimeters square. Finally, let's see how to modify this coding to calculate the area of a rectangle. First, we can modify the question here to what is the length of the rectangle in centimeter, and then we change this variable to, we rename it to length. Click OK. Then this one, area of square, we rename it to area of rectangle and click OK. We make a new variable, name it as width and click OK. So now let's see how to change the coding here. We duplicate this one, paste it here, and then this one we change it to width. What is the width of the rectangle in centimeter? Then here we change to width. Then here we change it to rectangle also. Okay, then we can put it back to the forever code here. Let's try this. Click the green flag button. What is the length of the rectangle in centimeter? We put 9. Click OK. What is the width of the rectangle in centimeter? We put 6 and click OK. The area of rectangle is... Sorry, the answer is wrong because I forgot to change the formula here. This one should be length times the width. Duplicate it and put it here. So this one should be replaced with this formula. So now let's try it again. Click the green flag button. What is the length of the rectangle in centimeter? We put 9. Then what is the width of the rectangle in centimeter? We put 6. Okay, the area of rectangle is 54 centimeters square. Now the answer is correct. That's all. Happy watching and learning. If you have learned something new and feel happy about it, please click the like button, subscribe to Happy Info Line, and share this video with others. Thank you.